Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make any type of graph in Microsoft Word. Let's get into it. Okay, so I've got my Microsoft Word document opened up here. What we first want to do is go to the Insert tab, go to the Chart section, click on that. And here you can choose what type of graph that you want. You can also choose the specific design of the graph, whether you want 3D or not. And if you hover over the picture, you can take a closer look at the design. So it's got line, it's got a pie graph, bar graph, an XY scatter graph, and all these different ones, even a map. So I'm going to show you how to use a scatter graph. Select the graph that you want and then click OK. It's going to take a second to load up. You'll get this Microsoft Excel box that opens up. If you maximize it, you can see that the X values and Y values have been entered already for you. This is where you'll edit the graph in. So you can change the title of the Y values like such. And when you click away, it will enter in for you. You can also change the X values. So I'm going to enter in some information. You can also add in negative numbers into the graph, and it's going to expand it to include a null section. Once you're done adding in the numbers, go ahead and exit out of this. And if you need to reopen that for any reason, just go up to the edit data, click on that, and it will pop up again. But for now, I'm just going to adjust the size of it. You can change the color up here. If you click on add chart element in the top right here, you can add a bunch of stuff like data labels, a chart title. You can select where you want it. You can select whether you want grid lines or not. You can add a legend and choose where you want it. For all these elements, you can choose a more customizable version by clicking more data, and it's going to give you the advanced options, but I'll leave that to you to look through and edit yourself. You can also change the chart type after you've created it as well with all the information already added. So the options on the side here, this will just give you the values of the graph. If you click the little paintbrush, it's going to change the color or the style of the graph. And if you click the plus button, you can add access tiles. You can add error bars if you want. This is basically the same as clicking the chart elements button up the top here, except this will change it for this graph specifically. And if you click on the layout options button at the top, you can choose whether you want it inline with the text or wrapping in and out of the text. You can also switch the row and column if you want. So this just switches the axes. So that is it for the video. If it did help, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you haven't yet purchased Microsoft Word, I've left an affiliate link in the description. If you click on that, that will give you a 30-day free trial for Microsoft Word, and it would also help out the channel. So I appreciate that. That is it from me. Peace out.